Infections of COVID-19 pandemic are starting to rise in the country after almost 6 months of full reopening of the economy from a 2-year lockdown. Schools were also reopened after Ministry of Education and Sports issued guidelines needed to protect learners from catching the virus. Now, when Ministry of Health announced that infection of COVID-19 in the country had gone down, the public seemed to have ignored standard operating procedures to reduce the spread of COVID-19.
People were relaxed because when the cases of COVID went down, schools relaxed. And that's why we want to wake them up from sleep. Still coming, infection rate is rising slowly. We do not want to see COVID outbreak in schools. We are activating the task force for timely reporting for appropriate management of cases in case of an outbreak.
Other measures are still being followed in school, like hand-washing facilities are still existent and wearing of face masks. The challenge is keeping social distance.
To reinforce the SOPs. We know children have been keeping social distancing. It is very difficult in schools to keep social distancing. But the beauty is that they are again very active people. Every time running activities. So the hand-washing facilities are all over. Infection prevention and control methods have been put in place. What is difficult, has been difficult to control, is congregating, avoiding the congregation. Children are getting crowded. That is something that we need to emphasize and to avoid overcrowding.
Ministry of Health is now investigating the flu and cough in schools to ascertain if they are as a result of influenza or COVID-19.
Reporting, there are cases of flu and cough that has gone into some schools. The Ministry of Health, the beauty is that quickly they are investigating. It may be influenza, it may be COVID, but for now, there is no any COVID outbreak in any of our learning institutions.
I'm Navka Farida and Stephen Kalisia in Kampala.